Hello everyone, si Edwin once again. Araw ng Lunes, January 17, 2022, alas 3 ng hapon. Nandito tayo ngayon mga kababayan sa Paducah PLAZA TIRE Services. Kumbaga sa atin dito, ito yung mga talir, local tire. Magpapaano tayo? Ito, ayan, tayo ay magpapagawa or naplatan naplatan ng ayan, naplatan ako ng ng gulong. May singaw yung gulong, kaya ipapatse. Kumbaga sa atin, di ba, yung mga local na na pagawaan ng mga nabutas na ganito dito, medyo high-tech sila. So that's all for today. Yeah, Paducah Tire. Pwede, nagbebenta rin sila dito ng bago, mga used na mga gulong. And ayan, we perform professional wheel alignment and other mechanic services. Ayan na tayo. Pinapatse. Alright. So far so good.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
Now find it.
All right. So I will never every day, put air every day.
I know that had been so annoying.
Yeah. It's kind of annoying to me, I try to look at this, but the culprit is here.
Oh,
yeah,
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
But I got you all fixed up very nicely, though.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
All right.